Today I'm going to transplant this asparagus crown that my mentor gave me to this pot. You can grow asparagus from a crown once you have these buds. I don't know if you can see that. There, that's clear. So these are the buds and the roots. These are the roots. So once you have those parts in this crown, then you can harvest, you can transplant and you can harvest asparagus spears. It will take 3 years for you to harvest a well-formed spears from this crown. So now I'll just put this in this container, make the roots and plants well established, and see if I will have a productive harvest from this ground for a couple of years.